Introducing Hyland for SAP SuccessFactors, providing in-context access to HR content. HR teams today face a growing challenge, managing content across fragmented systems while keeping up with compliance and delivering a great employee experience. The reality? 73% of HR's time is spent on repetitive administrative tasks like onboarding and document updates. Employee records are scattered across HCM, payroll, SharePoint, even paper files, creating inefficiencies and compliance risks. And when employees can't easily access their own documents, frustration grows for everyone involved. That's where Hyland for SAP SuccessFactors comes in, delivering a pre-built integration with Hyland's Content Innovation Cloud to transform the way HR works in the following ways. It accelerates HR efficiency by eliminating manual document handling and enabling instant access to employee content within SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central. It reduces compliance risk through automated retention policies, audit trails, and secure centralized document management. It enhances employee experience with self-service access to HR documents, improving transparency and reducing administrative burden. And it lowers IT overhead with cloud-native architecture and low-code configuration, simplifying deployment and maintenance. All the while preparing your HR team for future innovation by structuring content for AI-driven automation, predictive insights, and advanced analytics. Hyland has proven expertise in HR transformation, trusted by global organizations to modernize HR operations without disrupting your SAP SuccessFactors workflows. Let's take a look at how it works. So here we are in SAP SuccessFactors. I'll start by looking up an employee record. Now keep in mind I could be doing this as the employee or as someone from HR with the appropriate access rights. Here on the employee record, it takes no more than a couple of clicks, first on the All Actions menu, and then selecting View Documents, to be presented with a full list of documents associated with this employee, which from here, managing these documents is simple. I can view an existing document with one click, including over on the right, the associated metadata displayed on the side panel, and I can also upload a new document. Clicking Upload, I'm prompted to browse out and find the file I'm looking for. In this case, Dorian has a tuition reimbursement form to submit. I select the document type from this configurable list. And once it's there, rather than scour over the whole list, I can type what I'm looking for in the search bar, quickly zeroing in on the document that I want to see. As documents are revised, I can easily replace the original document with one that's had revisions. This capability is enabled at the document type level, and further permissions can be set based on user role as well. On the list, I'm also able to select individual documents or all documents at once to download them, again, given proper permissions to do so. And let's say I want to review my employment contract. I'm able to print a copy right from here. So how do you transform HR content into an AI-ready foundation for automation, governance, and insight with Hyland and the Content Innovation Cloud? To learn more, find us on the SAP Online Marketplace, explore Hyland.com, or connect with your Hyland or SAP account manager.